A lot of people are still unaware that it's very easy to accurately translate Indonesian to English. This is very easy for someone to do. My name is Hylmi Savero Ijraba from 12 Science 5 will teach you how to translate Indonesian to English in correct and properly. Check this out. You need tools and materials first. There are laptop or other device, the second internet, and then Gdrive web, and after that you need Quillbot web. How it works? First, you need confirm that the laptop is connected to the internet. The internet is very necessary for this process to possible. Next, open the Chrome and enter the keyword Gdrive. Give it time to load before logging into Gdrive. After that, when the Gdrive has opened, click New and select Google Document to create a new document. You can write the sentence you want to translate. After writing the sentence, select Tools from the menu at the top. Then select Translate Document. You can select the document to another language, but in this video, I will choose English language, Indonesian to English language. Wait the process finish. After finished, use Ctrl A to select the sentence. Then use Ctrl C to copy the sentence. After you copy the sentence, you have to open a new tab and enter Quillbot. Wait for the loading, and after the loading finish, you can enter the sentence to the Quillbot and click Praise. Finally, a new accurate sentence will appear. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if I made a mistake. Thank you. Bye bye.